reported today in The Verge. Tesla strikes deal to sell cars in Michigan. Tesla has reached a deal with Michigan that will allow the company to sell its cars directly in the state, bringing a multi-year legal battle to an end. It's a small but crucial victory for Tesla, and one that comes in the home state of the automotive industry. Thanks to a state law that forces automakers to work with dealers to sell their vehicles, would-be Tesla customers in Michigan have had to travel to neighboring states to buy one of the company's vehicles. Tesla owners had to do the same to get their vehicles serviced. But that will now change. The Michigan Attorney General's office announced Wednesday morning that it reached an agreement with Tesla to dismiss a lawsuit filed by the company in 2016 over the state law. Tesla sued after the state denied it a dealership license. While Michigan is not repealing the law, it is essentially admitting that there's enough wiggle room in the language to allow Tesla to sidestep dealer networks and sell directly to consumers moving forward. Tesla will now be able to make deliveries to customers in Michigan, and also walk customers through the buying process at its lone showroom in the state, something it was previously unable to do. The company will also likely open more showrooms and service centers as a result. There are small caveats to all this, though. Cars sold in the state will have to come with out-of-state titles in order to get around the language of the law. That means customers in Michigan will have to go through the process of transferring the title if they want the car to be titled in their home state. And any service centers Tesla opens in Michigan will have to be owned by a subsidiary. While it may seem like a strange way to compromise, Dan Crane, a law professor at the University of Michigan, believes it may have been the only way for the state to save face. What happened here is I think the Michigan Attorney General realized that going through this trial would be embarrassing for the state, he said. Instead, Crane said, the state decided to settle in a way that lets Tesla do what it wants to do, but gives the appearance of complying with Michigan law. Will Zahani, who wrote an analysis of Tesla's legal fight with Michigan for the Cato Institute in 2018, agreed, though he's not sure the state went far enough. The settlement shows that Michigan saw its position as untenable and potentially indefensible at trial, wrote Zahani, who is now a founder and partner at Mighty Stream Capital Management LLC, a new firm focused on impact investing and litigation finance. Instead, the state, which couldn't rescind validly passed law on its own, settled in a way that read onerous and anti-competitive, and potentially unconstitutional, restrictions out of that law. That is all to the good, but it would be better for more on this story. Visit the news article link.